Hi everyone, it's Jez here from nigezza.co.uk and I'm here today with a elegant card, using the Lovely Wishes. I absolutely love this set and I am gutted that it's not made it to the annual catalogue. And today I'm going to show you how I made this very elegant card here using Tranquil Tide. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I made it. So I've mounted that image there from the Lovely Wishes and I'm going to just stamp in Tranquil Tide all over randomly this piece of Whisper White, because I just loved this stamp set. When I saw it on stage in November, I thought, yep, that is a stamp set for me. And I did think, look, imagine the amazing papers that I am going to make by hand stamping this. And I'm quite gutted that it's going, because I haven't really played with it to the extent that I would actually have liked to. So I'm going to continue and do this, and I will speed it up probably, because otherwise it's a bit boring, isn't it? So there we have it. I think that's a really pretty effect, and you could leave it like that, or you could go in and do some colouring, because that is a flower, so you could colour it in or leave it as it is. So I've cut it down. I've got a Tranquil Tide card base and I've cut that down so that it mats nicely on, and then I'm going to use the oval stitched framelits and I'm going to cut out a topper for it, and I want to use this swirl here because I think that will fit really nicely in the oval. So mount that. Oh, need a bigger block. I've got my caddy here. I'm going to use that one, I think. Yep. So using my Tranquil Tide. Locked it in place. I'm just gonna love that swirl. I just think it's a stunning set, absolutely stunning. Clearly can't have been that popular for them to be retiring it. So I want to see if sentiments will fit in. Yep, wishing you a lovely day, Will. You warm my heart. That's what I'm actually going to use, I think. And then I'm just going to run that through the big shot and come back to you. Yeah, so I've cut that out using the largest stitched oval, and then I cut another one out in Tranquil Tide because when I tried it out, it got a little bit lost, so it needs something behind. And so I'm going to just snip it diagonally so that I can stick one bit to the top and one bit to the bottom to give it an effect like so. So I'm going to use a bit of Tombow, so I've got a bit of wigglage there for it. There we go. Oh. Nearly there we go. Okay, and then I'm going to stick this down. And then I might stick that up on some dimensionals. Give it a little bit of extra pop. I just love this set. It might be staying on my permanent. I ain't getting rid of this pile. I am going to get rid of some of my retired items. But I'm not ready to get rid of this yet. Yeah, just a simple little card. I am going to do a bit of stamping there on the inside with this little flurry. There we go. And then I'm just going to stick that in the middle. I think I've done something wrong with this fast fuse. That's the one I've done something wrong with. And there we are. Simple, elegant card using the lovely wishes. Okay, all the details will be over my blog, nigezza.co.uk. Link to the down bar below, and if you want to get your hands on this beautiful set, then nip over to my shop and pop it in your basket. Okay, see you again soon. Bye.